How to use voice changer in WhatsApp calls. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So first of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and search for APK Editor Pro. Now open up the first website. Now scroll down and tap on download. Now after downloading, go to downloads and install this application. Now once the application is installed, go back to your home screen and open up the application. Now select installed application. Now find WhatsApp. Now select common edit. Now change the package name to any of the name. Now click on save. Now tap on install. Now click on install. Now after installing, go back to your home screen. Now open up games application on your device. Now tap on my games. Now click on three dots. Now tap on manage my games. Now scroll down and select WhatsApp. Now click on add. Now go back and tap on play. Now log in into your account. Now swipe down from the top right corner. Now scroll down and select voice changer to change your voice. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.